How many hours did you spend last week doing things that, if you were being frank, were below your pay grade? Maybe briefing documents, email drafted 3 times over, digging through a report. This question matters because I am not here to just show you what AI can do for you as a business owner. I'm here to show you how to use it with the judgment that your business demands. So, today I'm just going to be showing you some systems that you can put in place to help you with different areas of your business. So, I'm going to be picking 3 of them, and then we're just going to look at them, and you can go ahead after this call to set yours up, and you'll be able to dedicate the time you save from that to other strategic priorities. Let's go. Hi, I'm Abby. I'm your AI automation specialist that helps your business generate more revenue while improving efficiency. Let's go. If you're a solo consultant, a coach, or someone running a small business without a team, these skills are the ones that I would install first. You can actually use them with your existing Claude Pro subscription. You don't need to know how to code. And if you can drop a file into a folder, then you can install this by yourself. So stick around till the end and I'll show you these skills and also give you one for free. The one I would install first is this Repurpose skill. Now, what does it do? It takes a YouTube video, the URL, and then turns it into a full branded social media content package. What happens is when you share a YouTube URL, it turns it into carousels, infographics, LinkedIn caption, and then reel scripts and all that. And it also tailors it to the different platforms. And afterwards, you can also now use a tool called Blotato to actually schedule the posts to the different platforms, all from here. So if I wanted to expand the functionality of this skill, it's just for me to say, okay, after creating it, just schedule the post to the different platforms, and I can dedicate that time to other strategic tasks within the business. And it replaces your content repurposing retainer that you pay an agency maybe 1,000 or 2,000 pounds a month. You can use the funds for something else. Yeah. So let me show you one of the outputs from that particular skill. So it created this infographic. Definitely we can still amend it, but at least it has given you that first draft. You can now tailor it to what your specifications are. But this has been done in my brand colors already. And if I was fine with it, I'll just send it along to the different platforms. The second one is this sales call prep agent that I've given a scheduled task to get into my calendar every morning to check for any external meeting I have and do a proper research on whoever it is I'm having a meeting with, who is an external person actually, and then prepare a proper dossier for me towards that meeting. Now, let me show you what it does. So you can see I've given it a role. It's a sales call prep agent. And then I said the first step is for it to pull meetings from my calendar. And then it should filter out the personal meeting. Then the step 2 is for it to identify external participants. Then the third thing is for it to research the companies of those external participants, finding out what their core business models are, what their key products are, their recent news, all those different things, the publicly available information. Now, I also made sure that I put this guardrail here saying that you should not fabricate anything. I don't want confident lies in the dossier. The fourth step is for it to research code-free IQ's offerings and then compile a pre-sales call dossier. This could be any kind of dossier. It doesn't have to be sales alone, but this just to give it like a structured task. And then I told it to put this together, the meeting title, the executive snapshot, more like the background of each external attendee, their company overview, their strategic priorities, and then their likely pain points and how my value proposition matches with their pain point. And then my value proposition match, and then also put together an agenda. And that's what you can see here. Lastly, I went further to tell it to create anticipated objections and objection handlers. After that, I told it to post the dossier to Slack. Now, I'm going to show you one of such that was generated after this task was completed by the agent so that you can see how good this is. So, you're going to see that next. And then you can see the guardrails that I placed there. Now you would notice that I already have my Google Calendar connected to my Claude. I have my Slack connected to my Claude. I have my Gmail. So it's able to pick the meetings from my calendar through the Claude connectors that are here. Now, so let me show you the output of this. So this is the pre-sales call dossier. Give me the executive snapshot, give me the company overview, the inferred strategic priorities, their likely pain points, the value proposition match, like I requested, and then the agenda. And this is Slack. So you can see that it actually performed exactly what I asked it to do. And I'm sure this will be useful to every consultant or solo business owner out there. So for most business owners, on Monday morning, before you've properly opened your laptop, you need to know what is urgent in your inbox, what's on your calendar, who are you meeting, and what do you need to know when you're going in. So usually you would need to piece this together yourself, scan the inbox, open your calendar to remember what is outstanding, and then before the day even starts, you're already frazzled. Now, with Cowork, you can set this up once and then wake up to a briefing that is already done. And that's what this particular schedule task does. It's a weekday morning brief. And you can see the instructions that I've given it that it should actually put together a morning brief for me and then search for unread emails that were received within the last 24 hours. You should surface the ones that are time sensitive, require replies, and then that are from important senders, managers, collaborators, and all. And then I was very specific about it skipping newsletters, automated messages, marketing emails, and all. And I told it to include sender, subject, and a one liner telling me what the mail is about. And then based on the email, it should now list the concrete things, the top action items that I have to act on for that day. And you can see I've put all that there and I gave it a time that it should do this. Now, to show you an example of something it came up with, let me just come here. And then you can see some of the mails it came up with as at, see, to tell you today's calendar and then tell you what it is. This was as at yesterday. And then you can see that this is an event I was supposed to attend. These are emails that required attention. And then it has put together the action items as well. So you can see how detailed this can be, and it's very useful for business owners so that you wouldn't need to be scrambling about trying to understand what is left undone in your inbox, because Cowork reads your inbox, checks your calendar, synthesizes everything, and creates a structured briefing for you, saved to your computer, and it prioritizes them as well. That is judgment. That's really good. Yeah, and you can schedule it to run automatically every weekday or weekend, whatever it is, and then you're having your time back to actually focus on strategic priorities for your business. Three different tools: content repurposing, sales call prep, and meeting brief. All these three tools run on the same Claude subscription. But if you want to learn how to install this into your business, or you want to see where AI can help in your business, you can always book a call with me in the link in the description. So if you want more of this kind of tools in your business, I'm running a LinkedIn live session on the 16th of July at 6:30 p.m. UK time. I would walk you through more systems that will definitely benefit your business. The link to register will be in the description, and you can always also reach out to me if you need help before then. I read every comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.